I think when you look at the history of former President Mandela in terms of his endeavors here and the values he stands for, the rest really stands for itself. And I think you will also recognize that the rest of the world understands that brand. And my opinion was that it would be a tragedy if the world out there understood the value of this brand and used it to some extent, yet Africa was left in many ways owning the brand without applying it. So the values that he stands for, he stood for, still stands for, speak for themselves. Now the challenge for Africa is to see how best to use that brand and preserve and keep alive the aspirations that are captured, if you like, within that brand as it is historically defined.